Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Astrodified. Today we are going to talk about our next house, that is 7th house, and we are going to see that what are the various kinds of career fields and professions which are represented by 7th house. So far we have discussed till 6th house, and we have seen that what are the various types of jobs, what are the various types of professions which are ruled by the 6th house. And as you all know that we are going through the series based on career, a full-fledged series which has 4 parts to it, and we have completed 2 parts, that is career through zodiac signs and career through planets. We are going through the 3rd part right now, that is career through houses, and in the last part we will discuss the career through nakshatras. If you have not watched the previous videos, you can check out the videos in the playlist of the channel, and you will be able to watch and learn that what are the various sorts of career options, career fields and professions out there, all out there, which are available, which are represented by various zodiac signs and various planets, and how to find that what will be the career which will be the best suited career for you, in which you will get maximum amount of success. So let's start on the 7th house now. If you don't know that how to find out the house which is extremely important through your horoscope in deciding your career, in deciding the field in which you will excel, in which you will get success, how to find out that house, then check out the link shown below in the description. You will be able to watch that video, and in that video I have told the method of finding that house which is responsible, which is solely responsible for determining your career, for determining your profession, through which you can get that what will be the best suited field for you, in which you can get maximum amount of success according to your horoscope in the most easy manner possible. So check out that link and watch that video as well. So let's move ahead and discuss about the 7th house now. Now what is 7th house? First let's discuss this. 7th house is the in general, when we discuss of 7th house, first of all what we get in mind is marriage, because 7th house is the house of marriage. 7th house is the house of your associations with other people. Now 7th house is the house of marriage, 7th house is the house of business, 7th house represents associations, legal associations, partnerships. 7th house represents your spouse, your marital life. 7th house represents your sexual desire, your sexual urge. Then 7th house represents your self-image which you portray among the other people, your public image, in the sense you can say that. 7th house is the house of public. The people who deal with public, who have public image, who are public figures, are seen through the 7th house, because 7th house is just opposite to the 1st house. What is 1st house? 1st house is you, yourself. What is your self image is seen through the 1st house, and what you portray as yourself in front of other people, that is the 7th house. So 7th house is all about your public image, is all about your image which you portray in front of other people. Now let's see that what are the various kinds of professions which are ruled by, which are governed by the 7th house. So if there is the influence of 7th house in your horoscope, then what will be the professions which will be best suited for you? Let's check out that. So 7th house first of all rules all sorts of business. If a person wants to do business and his 7th house is weak, then there will be lots and lots of struggles if person pursues business. So 7th house is the house of business. 7th house first of all shows business, legal partnerships, associations, legal bindings. 7th house shows foreign business, but for foreign business you also have to see the influence of the 12th house. Then 7th house shows international business. International business means the people who are running MNCs, who are not working in MNCs, who are running MNCs, who have established MNCs, that people are seen through the 7th house. Now 7th house is the house of marriage, so people who are wedding planners, who are related with the professions which require which involve marital events that come under 7th house. So like wedding planners, they are seen through 7th house. Then 7th house is 7th house includes all professions which help you portray your self-image in front of the other people. All sorts of mediums out there available in the world are ruled by the 7th house when it comes to the portrayal of image, of self-image into public. So all sorts of artistic pursuits are seen through the 7th house. All sorts of creative pursuits, the professions which require creativity, are seen through the 7th house. The 7th house rules arts, cinema, acting, drama, your fashion, glamour. It all represents these things because they are show. These all things are show business. You are portraying yourself in front of the camera, in front of the people all the time. So you are expressing your thoughts among the people. That is 7th house. So all these professions in which you portray yourself, you convey your thoughts of the mind to the other people through your work, are seen through the 7th house. Now 7th house shows people who are involved in marketing or advertising industries. TV broadcasters are seen through the 7th house, not radio broadcasters. Radio broadcasters are seen through the 2nd house because radio is all about voice. TV includes visual image as well. So when visual image comes, then 7th house is there. So TV broadcasters are seen through 7th house. Tourism and travel organizations, people working in these tourism and travel organizations are seen through the 7th house also, because 7th house is tour and travels as well. Then 7th house also represents some professions which come under the dark side of the 7th house, because every house and every planet and everything typically in this world has its positive side as well as the negative side. So we have to take into account both the sides. We cannot just look into the positive or the negative. We have to look at both of them. So 7th house also has professions, also contains professions, also represents professions which are represented as the dark side of the 7th house, which come into its darkness. So the professions like prostitution, the people who are indulged in adultery, who are like pornographic industries, they are represented by 7th house, because 7th house is the house of your sexual desire and sexual urge. So portrayal of your self-image into the public through your sexual desire is seen through the 7th house. So 7th house represents all these things also. So there are varied number of professions available, but for these things you have to see other combinations as well in your horoscope. Again I am saying, you have to see other combinations, other conjunctions and other planetary aspects in your main birth chart, D9 and D10. Till then you are not doing this, you cannot come to a particular conclusion. Okay, so these are the various kinds of professions which are represented by 7th house. So to pinpoint your exact profession or to get to an approximate result, you have to combine the results from all 4 of them. What are the 4 of them? First is your result from the zodiac sign, which you will get that, then second from the planet, third from the house, and last from the nakshatra. Because a planet in a horoscope sits in a particular house, in a particular nakshatra, in a particular zodiac sign. Until and unless you are not combining the effects of all 4, you're not going to get the proper result. So you have to see all these things in your horoscope. So these things we have discussed, that how what are the various sorts of professions which are ruled by the 7th house, and what are the various sorts of professions which will be best suited for you if 7th house is the most important house in your horoscope regarding your career. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe below. If you have any queries, you can mail me on my email ID. It's written in the description. And for latest updates, you can check on my Facebook and Twitter page. Their links are also provided in the description. Otherwise, we will meet in the next video of the 8th house, and we will see that what are the various kinds of professions which are ruled by the 8th house. And so till then, goodbye and thank you.